David, I see positive and negative from Tony. I don't have a lot of positives on Disney, David. Now, you're out there. So, I don't know. Do you have, like, some sort of karma move on Disney out there?
Yeah, I can
figure
feel
if
the
I yell,
vibe
he
here,
hears me better.
Being closer to headquarters for the great company. I mean, listen, we've mentioned the note here, that downgrade this morning to equal weight over at Barclays, guys. I don't know, Jim. They talk about the expansion over the last couple of years in terms of the multiple. And obviously, we've talked a great deal about it trades off of streaming. It trades off of Disney+. It has been an incredibly successful launch for that service. Obviously, it's becoming more difficult to add anywhere near at the rate of growth that they had initially. But you tell me what this stock is really going to be valued on. Now, by the way, it had an incredible 2020, but to be fair, it has not had nearly as strong a year this year.
Well, look, I think that a year ago, we would have been saying, Carl, that Netflix might be finished. And now people are buying VF Corp off of Vans because of how great Squid is. So I just think the idea of Disney being so-called finished means that ESPN's lower in valuation and that Disney Plus can't come up with anything. I think that's quite. I'm not asking for an eighth dwarf or anything.
Right. I mean, Barclays isn't saying they're finished. They're saying there might be some risk to the long-term.
Yeah, but
guide.
I think that guy's got to be made to eat crow.
Okay.
Right? Well, I think Chapek must make him eat crow.
The chart shows pretty clearly they have the lowest number of titles of the major streamers, and their point is they got to double it to get anywhere near Netflix.
Well, and I think they have the work cut out for them, but I still think that you have 4 or 5 times oversubscription of theme parks, and I think that the model is, well, theme parks are good, or maybe you don't need everything going at one time. My charitable trust owns Disney. I'm steadfast. I'm steadfast owner of Disney. I think that this thing, it remains a great long-term story.